We start with 1 hour chart. First of all, if you refer to our analysis in my last video, when the price was within this, we mentioned if we get any buy, we need to get the sharp move because we talked about made this one tend to flat for one more drop. But we didn't get any trade because we have been looking for this correction. When the price was within this move, we mentioned if we want to look for trade, at least we need to get one more drop. And the drop should break the previous low, but it didn't. All right. And when the price reversed, we get the next drop. The price broke, but it dropped quite a lot. That means we didn't have any trade set up from here to look for buy. And even we mentioned if we want to have entry, we put in one entry at the 55 cent. We mentioned the only times we shifted above this when the price break the previous low. And the times the price break, it continue and retest the old. I mean the lowest price based on this bigger correction. That means no one should be in this trade. No one want to see what's the next and how we can look for trade. If we move to daily chart, as you can see based on daily chart, the price drop, and even we mentioned the price, we can expect the price consolidate here before we get the reversal. Even we point on this. Now we want to see how we can look for trade. If we move to forward chart, right now we're looking at this correction. All right, we want to see if we put this one in relative to this down move, that means we can expect to get one more drop, and at least the next drop should break the lowest price of this correction. Okay, this is the best things we can look for. If we get this, any reversal can give us better confirmation. But how about if the price reverse from here? Still we can look for trade. If the price reverse here, maybe this correction can tend to more complex. Can be more complex correction. What I mean to say, what I want to say is that the best things is if the price from here can break this low, then it can give us better reversal and it can give us better opportunity to look for trade. But it doesn't mean the price cannot reverse from here. Okay, but if the price reverse from here, we can expect this one turn to a more complex correction. That means any reversal based on lower time frame, we take the trade for buy. But based on forward chart, we don't have any trade set up yet. And if we move to 1 hour chart, what we can expect? If we get a correction similar to what I draw here, mostly we can look for one more drop. Are we going to sell at the lowest price of the correction? Is not a really good idea unless this correction can give us a good trade setup. We need to see, but right now we don't have any trade setup. And the best thing is if we get any reversal with the flag, we take the trade, and with the breakout of 52, which is above this, we start to manage. And beside that, we can put our line here. And I need to mention this line all the times you consider as a indicative. We is not using the line to trade. Okay, and it shows us if there is a correction, reversal as a corrective move, we can expect one more drop. And if we get any reversal with the flag, if the price didn't break, the flag is below this line, we need to see the next move break the line and continue, because we don't want to get a corrective move without breakout of this, then for sure we can get one more drop. Or if we get a sharp move with the flag above this, it can give us better confirmation for us to look for the trade. But if the flag is above this line, then we don't need to care about this 52 cents. The next target and breakout, we should look for the highest price of this correction. Anyway, we don't have any trade set up, but we will be, if we get any reversal, we consider it as a short term. We take the trade. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.